Right, let's get cracking. The internet, that place where cat videos and questionable dance moves reign supreme, has gone healthy. Who knew? It's bursting with viral recipes promising everything from six-pack abs to glowing skin. So I thought, why not give these culinary sensations a whirl? I'm diving headfirst into this digital cookbook, ready to separate the delicious from the disastrous. Wish me luck! Welcome to Wellness Wise. Please like and subscribe. Let's move back to the world of snacks with energy balls. These little bites are packed with nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and other healthy ingredients, promising a boost of energy to power you through your day. They're perfect for a quick snack on the go or a pre-workout energy boost. Energy balls are incredibly easy to make. You simply blitz all the ingredients together in a food processor, roll them into balls, and chill them in the fridge. You can customize them with your favorite flavors and ingredients, adding chocolate chips, spices, or even protein powder. So, are energy balls the bite-sized powerhouses they claim to be? They definitely pack a punch. They're full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which provide sustained energy and keep you feeling full for longer. Plus, they're a great way to satisfy those sweet cravings without resorting to unhealthy sugary snacks. Last but not least, we're diving into chia seed pudding. This one's all about the tiny but mighty chia seed. These little seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, making them a nutritional powerhouse. When soaked in liquid, chia seeds expand and create a pudding-like texture, making them a versatile ingredient for healthy snacks and desserts. Chia seed pudding is incredibly easy to make. You simply mix chia seeds with your choice of milk or yogurt, add your favorite sweeteners and flavorings, and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. The chia seeds absorb the liquid and create a creamy, pudding-like texture. So does chia seed pudding live up to the hype? It's definitely a healthy and delicious snack or breakfast option. It's packed with nutrients, keeps you feeling full for longer, and can be customized with endless flavor combinations. Plus, it's incredibly easy to make, even for the most kitchen-challenged individuals. Now for something a little more indulgent, chickpea cookie dough. This one had me skeptical at first. Cookie dough made from chickpeas? Really? But the internet raves about it, claiming it's a healthy and delicious alternative to the real deal. So I had to give it a go. The recipe is simple enough. You blend chickpeas, peanut butter, maple syrup, and vanilla extract until smooth. Then you stir in chocolate chips and chill the dough for a bit. It's surprisingly easy to make, even for a baking novice like me. And the verdict? It's actually pretty good. It's not exactly like traditional cookie dough, but it has a similar texture and sweetness. The chickpeas add a slightly nutty flavor, and the chocolate chips provide the necessary indulgence. It's a great healthy snack that satisfies those sweet cravings. Now for something a little more refreshing. Detox water. This one's essentially water infused with fruits, vegetables, and herbs, promising to flush out toxins and improve your overall health. It's a fancy way to jazz up plain water and make it more appealing, especially if you struggle to drink enough fluids throughout the day. Detox water is incredibly easy to make. You simply chop up your favorite fruits, vegetables, and herbs, add them to a pitcher of water, and let it infuse for a few hours or overnight. You can use any combination of ingredients you like, such as cucumber, lemon, mint, ginger, or berries. So does detox water actually detoxify your body? The jury's still out on that one. While there's no scientific evidence to support the detox claims, detox water is a great way to stay hydrated and enjoy the refreshing flavors of fruits and herbs. Plus, it looks pretty fancy too. Next up, we're tackling cauliflower rice. This one's another clever low-carb alternative, this time for rice. You simply grate cauliflower florets into small rice-sized pieces, and voila! You've got a lighter, healthier base for your stir-fries, curries, or burrito bowls. Cauliflower rice is incredibly easy to make. You can grate it by hand, use a food processor, or even buy it pre-made at the supermarket. It cooks in minutes and absorbs flavors beautifully. So is cauliflower rice a worthy substitute for traditional rice? It's surprisingly good. It has a similar texture to rice, but with a milder flavor that doesn't overpower other ingredients. It's a great way to cut down on carbs and boost your veggie intake. First up, salmon avocado toast. This one's been doing the rounds for a while now, and for good reason. It's quick, easy, and packed with healthy fats and protein. I'm talking creamy avocado, flaky salmon, and a squeeze of lemon juice on toasted whole wheat bread. What's not to love? Making it is a breeze. Toast your bread, mash some avocado, flake some salmon, and pile it all on top. A sprinkle of chili flakes for a kick, and you're good to go. It's the perfect breakfast, lunch, or even a light dinner. Verdict? This one's a winner. It's delicious, nutritious, and keeps you full for ages. Plus, it looks pretty impressive too. Perfect for those Instagram food pics. So if you're looking for a healthy and tasty meal that won't take forever to make, this one's a must try. Let's move on to the main courses, starting with zucchini noodles, or zoodles as the cool kids call them. They're a low-carb alternative to pasta, made by spiralizing zucchinis into long, thin noodles. They're a great way to sneak in some extra veggies and lighten up your favorite pasta dishes. You can use a spiralizer to make zoodles, but a vegetable peeler works just as well. Once you've got your noodles, you can sauté them, roast them, or even eat them raw. They're incredibly versatile and can be paired with all sorts of sauces and toppings. So, do zoodles actually taste like pasta? Not quite. They have a slightly different texture and flavor, but they're still delicious. They're a great way to enjoy your favorite pasta dishes in a healthier way. Section 3. Overnight oats. Breakfast of champions. Next up, we're tackling overnight oats. This one's all about convenience. You mix oats, milk, yogurt, and your favorite toppings in a jar. Leave it in the fridge overnight and boom, breakfast is ready to go in the morning. It's perfect for those busy mornings when you barely have time to brush your teeth, let alone whip up a gourmet breakfast. The beauty of overnight oats is that you can customize them to your heart's content. I love adding berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for sweetness. But you can get creative with spices, seeds, or even chocolate chips. So, are overnight oats the breakfast of champions? They're definitely a contender. They're healthy, filling, and super easy to make. Plus, they're a great way to sneak in some extra fiber and protein into your diet. Give them a try, you won't be disappointed. Section 7. Cloud bread fluffy dreams or airy disappointments. Now for something a little different, cloud bread. This one's been taking the internet by storm, promising a light, fluffy bread alternative that's low in carbs and calories. It's made with just 3 ingredients: eggs, cream cheese, and baking powder, and baked until golden brown. The texture of cloud bread is certainly unique. It's incredibly light and airy, almost like a meringue. It's best eaten fresh out of the oven as it tends to deflate a bit as it cools. But does cloud bread live up to the hype? It's a bit of a mixed bag. It's definitely a fun and interesting alternative to traditional bread, but it doesn't quite have the same satisfying chewiness. It's best enjoyed as a vehicle for toppings rather than a standalone bread substitute. Section 9. Green smoothies, Shrek's favorite drink? Next up, we're tackling green smoothies. These vibrant drinks are packed with leafy greens, fruits, and other healthy ingredients, promising a refreshing and nutritious way to start your day or refuel after a workout. They're a great way to sneak in extra servings of fruits and vegetables, especially if you're not a fan of eating your greens. Green smoothies are incredibly versatile. You can use any combination of leafy greens, fruits, and liquids you like. I love adding spinach, banana, and almond milk for a creamy and delicious smoothie. You can also add superfoods like chia seeds, flax seeds, or protein powder for an extra nutritional boost. So, are green smoothies worth the hype? They're definitely a healthy and refreshing way to boost your nutrient intake. They're quick and easy to make, and you can customize them to your liking. Just be prepared for a vibrant green color that might take some getting used to. Section 12. Internet wins. Mostly. Well, there you have it, folks. We've braved the world of viral healthy recipes and lived to tell the tale. And you know what? The internet wasn't half bad. Sure, there were a few misses along the way. Cloud bread, I'm looking at you. But overall, I was pleasantly surprised. From the delicious simplicity of salmon avocado toast to the surprising tastiness of chickpea cookie dough, these viral recipes proved that healthy eating doesn't have to be boring or bland. We discovered low-carb alternatives like zucchini noodles and cauliflower rice that were surprisingly satisfying. And we even found ourselves sipping on green smoothies and detox water like it was nobody's business. So, next time you're scrolling through your social media feed and stumble upon a drool-worthy healthy recipe, don't be afraid to give it a go. You might just discover your new favorite healthy dish. After all, even a stopped clock is right twice a day. And the internet, with all its cat videos and questionable dance moves, can still whip up a decent, healthy meal or two. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.